Yay, this is a special video because I'm so excited that I'm going to be going to Maker Central this year. Yes! And meet loads and loads of like other YouTubers and see what other people are doing and what I am so excited that I decided to show it to the world, and I'm going to be wearing this sweatshirt and I'm going to be painting this design on it. I am so excited. And it's going to be pink, yellow and purple. So cool. Yay. Oh my god. It's gonna be my first time at Maker Centrals. Oh my god. I cannot wait. He's gonna be in 2 weeks' time by the time this video comes out. And I'm so looking forward to meeting loads of other YouTubers and just see what they do and what is there. And I'm not really sure what to expect, but I just want to meet people. I just want to mingle and meet people. And so for the occasion, I thought, oh, I found this sweatshirt and I just loved the color because yellow, it is one of my favorite colors. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh, that is perfect. So, and I've decided to paint a design on it. I'm so excited. What else? What else? I know it's black and white. We only have a black and white printer. So yeah, there we go. I've got to work with that. But yeah, together with my husband, we designed this, which by the way, is going to be shortly, is going to be available also in my merchandise shop. But we didn't have time for that. It's just like we've been so busy, and when we came back from Italy, that is just, we had no time to get it, to get the design up to a standard that we wanted. So I thought, I've got a plan B. I'm gonna paint it. As you do. So I'm gonna show you how to put this onto my sweatshirt. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. And to do this, what you need is a sweatshirt or a t-shirt, whatever. And I'm starting to think, oh my god, the weather is turning nice now. Damn it, I should have bought a t-shirt. Don't worry, I've got a backup plan. So if you see anybody wearing this or a yellow t-shirt, quite bright, that would be me, and come and say hello. But anyway, let's get back to it. Yeah, so you need a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, whatever you want. And then I'm gonna be using, I always put, because I've been painting fabric and t-shirts for I can never remember. And it's just like I was really young, and when I was in Italy, I opened my own shop and I used to paint t-shirts, and people used to come in with pictures of their pets or favorite athletes and stuff like that. And I used to paint it on t-shirt together with like the usual bits and bobs. So this is something that I've always done as far as I can remember. And I always put inside the t-shirt or the sweatshirt something like a cardboard or something to so the surface is not too squidgy. I have got this glass board, so I'm going to be putting that inside it, and then I'm going to firm the design with some masking tape. I'm going to cover the surrounding area with a little bit more paper, because I don't know if you noticed, but I am a very messy pup. So to avoid any problems or any issues, I'm going to be covering the workspace. You need some brushes. Obviously not as many as these. I'm going to pick my favorites out of these. Some of them are so old. You need some water. We're not going to be using too much because otherwise it absorbs and expands. Like the color would just smudge. And then I have my favorite brand of colors, which is Deca. Unfortunately, they're really difficult to find in the UK, and I found these a while ago. And these are they're permanent colors, and they are for light color fabric. I used to paint with the paint for the dark color fabric everywhere, even on white t-shirt, is because the colors were more vibrant and it was a better result. But I can't find the other ones. I found these a while ago, so fingers crossed they're still gonna be okay. And I'm gonna be using the yellow, gonna be using white to make my pink, because this is lovely, but it's a little bit too dark for me. And then I'm gonna be using this lovely purple. Oh, it's lila, lilac, oh, whatever. So I'm gonna be using those colors. I think we're ready. Oh, I'm gonna be I'm going to transfer the design onto the sweatshirt using fabric tracing paper. And this is really cool because it comes with these little tools. Oh, and it's different colors as well. Oh, look at this. You got white, red, black, green, blue, yellow. So I'm going to be using one of them to trace my pattern, my design. Yeah, let's crack on with it. Obviously, as usual, I forget bits. I've got this little silicone container as well because I'm going to be mixing the pink, creating the pink shade that I want. And also I've got my towel, but you can use like kitchen towel to wipe your brushes and just the usual cleaning. But let's get this sweatshirt ready. I'm going to put the glass board inside the sweatshirt. So this is going to keep it nice and stretched. I might put a little bit of paper inside as well, just so if there's any leakage on the other side, the glass is gonna spread it, well, the paper is gonna absorb it. I'm gonna put this inside as well. Even though this is something that I should be comfortable with, I'm always a little bit nervous. We'll be okay. Oh, by the way, I bought the sweatshirt from my local supermarket because I was there shopping and I saw it and I fell in love with it. It's so difficult to find baggy things and it's just, yeah. So this caught my eye and I was like, yeah, okay, I'm having that. So now we got to place the design where we want it. I think that was it. I've taken a picture of it as a reference, so I knew where I was going to put it, and that looks about right. Perfect. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Could have been better. But yeah, let's crack on. I'm gonna keep the design there so I can see what the heck I'm meant to be doing. And now let's protect the sweatshirt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the letters inside with the pink. And I'm going to use my little brush. And I will probably need some of this. I'm very excited. Let's mix the pink. I think this is going to be a nice pink. I might need a little bit more. A bit more white. Oh, the smell of this paint is bringing back memories. Brilliant. Let's make sure that my hands are clean. And for this, I've got my trusty towel. And let's get ready to paint. Hey, it's been a few hours and the sweatshirt is now ready. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I had to give it like few layers because the paint is it's not opaque, and for the yellow I had to put a base of white just to make it like more, how can I say it, like just to make sure they covered up all of the lines underneath of the tracing paper. And I think the tracing paper didn't work because the sweatshirt is too thick. So I'm going to try to do this. Yeah, see? The tracing paper is actually really good. It's just that the sweatshirt, because it's so spongy, it just doesn't work. So I had to sort of make it up and give it a go. But I'm very pleased. But let's take it off the table, being extremely careful because otherwise I don't want to get the sweatshirt dirty. Ooh, what do you reckon so far? I am so excited. I'm very, very excited about this. Oh my god. I really hope the weather is not going to change too much, otherwise I will be sweating in this. And as I thought, it's so thick that it just didn't go onto the paper, but always better be safe than sorry. Because I've been there, I've done that, I don't want to do it again. Oh, let me put it on. Ta-da! I'm so excited. So if you're going to be a Maker Central in 2 weeks' time, come and say hi. I'm sure you'll see me. I've got a backup plan as well, so if it's too hot, I've ordered a yellow t-shirt. So I'm going to try to paint that in the next couple of weeks. So I've got backup, just in case it's going to be too hot. But I am really pleased with how it turned out, and I want to do more and more fabric painting because, as I said, this was the main thing that I've done since I was really, really young. But I want to experiment with other paints, and I've been searching while I was waiting for this to dry, and I think I found a couple of brands that might be good. So there's going to be more videos about painting on fabric, and I'm going to be probably experimenting. And also, when I went to Birmingham to the creative show, I bought a Indian block print. I love it, and I want to make my own. So there's going to be more fabric painting. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on when the next video is out? Because as I said, there's going to be more fabric painting. So why not see what experimentation I'm going to do? Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.